A war onion.
3, 2, 1.
So we're going to start crushing the onion. And so we're going to transfer here. And then we're going to wash. Wash lang natin. Leave it for a few minutes. Here, just leave it in like 2 minutes, few minutes, and then drain the water. And we're going to drain. I-drainin natin siya. Kuhanan natin ng tubig. So, it's time to transfer. Ayan na po ang ating salad. As simple as that. Spread lang siya. Usually, white onions, ang freshly harvested white onions, ang pwedeng gawin na salad, onion salad. And here's for dinner tonight, a fresh vegetable salad, fried chicken, and also fried fish. Ready for dinner.